Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today we have Vienna's, oh, you're already bored? We have Vienna's BarkBox for September. Do you want to know what's in her box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so we have Vienna's September BarkBox. She does have one sock on, I do realize that. If you guys want to know, the other night, we were sitting, minding our own business, watching TV, and she happened to move her foot in a way where I noticed something different. So I grabbed her little foot and I was looking, and between her two little foot pads, there was like a bump forming. And I'm like, I wanted to pop it, but my other half said, no, don't pop it, leave it alone. So I listened to him and I was like, okay, fine, I won't pop it, but I really wanted to pop it. So I went ahead and called the next day to get her into our vet, because when I did a little research, it said that it could be an infection and she might need antibiotics or it removed or this or that. So of course that scared me. So I went ahead and called her vet. They couldn't get her in for like almost a whole week. And I'm like, yeah, no, I need to know what's going on with her. So I found a new vet. I took her to the new vet and the doctor looked at it and was like, oh, it looks like just something got inflamed. And she literally mashed it right in front of me. All this blood started oozing out, which was good that it was just blood. There wasn't like an infection or anything like that in there. There wasn't pus or anything. So it was just blood. And the doctor did say if it keeps filling up, then it would need to be removed, because then it would be like a cyst. But luckily it hasn't been. So I have her little foot, or I have her little sock on there, and it's so hard for her to keep it on, and she's being such a little brat, but it's for her own good, because I don't want her to lick it. For one, I don't want anything to get in it. I don't want her to walk outside to go to the bathroom and a little small piece of grass or dirt or something like that get in there. So I'm making her keep her little sock on. They did give me an antibiotic ointment that I have to put on it, and it's doing a lot better. So she didn't even act like it was hurting her. Like she was acting like nothing was even going on. So I don't know if she stepped on something and it something got stuck in there and it just festered up to kind of push it out. I don't know if it was an ant bite. I don't know what it was. The doctor doesn't either, but so far everything's doing good. But I wanted you guys to kind of know why she has a sock on and what is going on, because a lot of you guys love her videos and you want to just watch just this cute little face right here. So I wanted you to know what was going on and why she's got this. Say hi. Say hi. Say my mommy's messing with me and I don't like this sock on. Every chance she gets, it's off. And I have to like try to find it. And she has 4, because she has a set of 4 socks. So if she throws one off, I'm like, all right, I got 3 more waiting for you, girl. So let's go ahead and get into September. Let's go ahead and get into September's box, you guys. I already cut the tape because, you know, my little girl. Oh, she's already trying to sniff in here. Okay, so when you open it up, it says Bark an Autumn Tail. How cute. Definitely season. Uh-oh, I see a little tennis ball. That one you're not going to be able to have. But let me see here. Can you sit? Okay, thank you. All right, so when you open it up, this is what it looks like inside. Very, very cute and festive for the holiday for sure. It says an autumn tale. There's nothing like a drive through the woods with your head out the window and your ears flapping on a crisp fall day. So hop in the station wagon and rake in the fun with an autumn tale. How cute. So let's go ahead and see which toys she has. So the first one that I'm already like, these look like these would be cherries, like you're cherry picking. How cute. Look at the face on that one. And then the face on this one. But unfortunately, these balls, she tears them up. So these balls, I'm going to have to just donate to another dog. But she will play with this bag. But I think that's so cute that it says the Munch Bunch. And it's like, yeah, it's like you're picking for apples. So, did I say cherries? I don't know if it's supposed to be a cherry or an apple, to be honest. But it says, let's see, hold on, baby. 3 squeakers, Crazy Crinkle, multi-part toy. I know you want that. So again, the balls I'm just going to leave on there, and then let me take the bag off. Hi, hold on. So it says Dog House Orchard, and So there is a squeaker there, and it has a whole lot of crinkle going on. Hi. So there's the bag. I think that is super cute though, for you to drop them in the bag, but these particular balls, she chews them up. So I will save these for another dog to play with, and I'll just let her play with that. But that is a really cute set. And then the second one, how freaking cute is that? It's like a little mouse in a big old sweater. Oh my gosh, it says a sweater weather Heather. Extra small to small, 0 to 20 pounds. That is cute. And so this is a multi-part toy. Oh, so there's parts in it. There's a squeaker and a crazy crinkle. Oh, the mouse comes out of the sweater. Sit on your butt. Thank you. I gotta remove these things so you can see what's in here. I know you want to take it from me, but can you wait a second? Can you wait a second? Thank you. Oh, no, thank you. Okay. All right, let's see here. So look at it. It's like this little tiny mouse. Ooh, that's a good squeaker. I wonder how long that's gonna last. So you have that, and then you have this big old, and this has a squeaker in it too. Look how cute. That is adorable. That is adorable. I think that is super, super cute. And the little fall weather, like the sweater weather, fall weather. That is so cute. So there's the two toys. Here, let me just set that right there in front of you. Now let's go over her treats. So the first one says, Pup State Pork Jerky Fall Faves. Pork recipe dog treats. So here's the first one, and they're very, very small, little tiny little pieces. I don't know if you can see, but they're very, very tiny little pieces back there. So you have some pork recipe dog treats. You have pork recipe dog treats, pork in spice latte. And these are a little bit bigger. They're longer and thinner, but there's that. And then the last one in here, you guys, is duck boots. Duck recipe dog treats with chickpeas. Oh, that sounds good. And they're about the same size as the other one. So then there's the third treat. Generally, you would get 2 of these with a long chew, but she never eats the long chew, so they changed my profile. So now she doesn't get that big long chew anymore. She gets 3 bags of treats, which is perfect. And then, so you can see the different, the different toys this month. They're so cute. So here's the different toys, you guys. There's the little sweater weather that she got. There's the little apples that she got. But there's a deer hunter, a peekaboo leaves. There's a sticky paw syrup, puppy spice latte. That would be cute. Mutt bunch, hard cider, and then backwoods boots. Those are so cute though. Their themes are so cute every single month. I always look forward to seeing what her themes are going to be every month. So, 3 treats and, oops, sorry baby, and 2 toys. It landed right on her like this and just sat there. She was like, what the heck? And there's her 2 toys. So if you do want to see her play with them, then here you go. Your sock fell off. I'm sure you're happy. You happy about that? Now she'll play normal because her sock is off. Whoa. Tell her how you really feel. That's your sock. Okay, you guys, so that is her playing with the toys. If you want to know a little bit more about BarkBox, I'll let you know right about now. BarkBox has at least 2 innovative toys, 2 all-natural bags of treats, and a chew. Again, they changed mine because she wouldn't eat it. I got a picky eater. And that one monthly, if you just do month to month, it's $29 a month with free shipping. If you do 6 months, it brings it to $25. And if you do 12 months, it brings it to $22. If your fur baby is not 100% happy with the BarkBox, we will work with you to make it right. And they definitely do. Their customer service is one of the best out there, hands down, without a doubt. I have no issues ever with BarkBox. Their customer service is spot on. The Super Chewer box is 2 tough toys, always fluff free, super durable, 2 full-size bags of treats, always made in the US or Canada, and then 2 meaty chews, always all natural. That one, those are super tough, and I started with that one first, but there were too super toughy for her. So we ended up switching things up to try different things at first, and then I just changed it to the regular BarkBox. But that one is $39 per box if you do month to month. 6 months would bring it to $34, and 12 months would bring it to $29 per month. And that one, if any toy is destroyed, we will send you a new toy 100% free of charge. So the Super Chewer box, they stand by all of their toys and they will replace them 100% if anything is actually destroyed. So there's that. So that is everything that we have for you today. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching us and my little baby right here. This is my little girl. Thank you so much, you guys. Your support means so much to me, and I greatly do appreciate every single one of you guys. So comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this month's theme? What did you think of the toys that she got? Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and we will see you on the next one. Say bye, Crafty crew, out. And then you ending with, she started with a yawn and she ended with a yawn. Wow. Bye.